Alright. Hey, what's up guys, it's me, Ansel Ali back, and today we're going to be making a chicken casserole dish that my grandmother made when I was little. And I actually made a mistake. I bought chicken breasts, but with bones. I was trying to go in for a boneless, but that's quite alright. I'll just teach you guys how to debone them. So you see right here, so you want to just grab a knife of sorts. A boning knife is best, but I only have my paring knife, which is fine as well. Just wanted to make a little slash right here, and you see this gash, and you just want to peel it back and continue on working really close to the bone to extract as much meat as possible. And you just continue down, 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 down. See, my knife is it's a lot easier with the boning knife. My paring knife isn't that sharp because it's made for fruits, and I haven't deboned chicken in a while, so it's kind of sloppy. It's alright, we're here to learn. So, yep. Let's cut. And so with this, you can get more meat, but I'm just gonna make a chicken stock for the next video, which will be out soon, in about 2 weeks. So you have your breast here. Perfect. Cut. After you're done extracting the bones off the meat, you just want to put them on a platter and take them to the kitchen. So we're gonna boil these chicken in water. So you just want to grab a pan or a saucepan, pour some water in, and you just want to put the chicken in. Now you want enough water to cover the chicken, which you see here I have a little extra, so I'm just gonna pour some out. There you go, that's enough. And you just wanna like lightly salt it. There you go. Hey, what's up? Alright, we're back after cooking the chicken and after boiling the chicken. So for casserole, you just want the chicken in bite-sized pieces. So kind of just want to rip them, you know. Hand shred them. You don't really have to care much. It all goes down your throat. Anyway. So yeah, just do that. Or you could do it with a knife, cube it up if you want, but you know, I just like it. It feels more natural if I just rip it, so I'm just gonna do that instead. And I apologize if the audio quality is kind of bad, but I don't have the most professional setup right now. I can guarantee you quality content though. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, I think that's 2 breasts out of the way. Alright, a few more. Sorry if it's boring to watch, but it's just part of the process, you know? I'm trying to teach you guys. This is actually very easy to make. Ingredients cost me no more than like $8, so think about it, it's actually cheaper making it at home than going outside and buying it. If you go to like some fancy restaurant, they're gonna charge you like $15.99 or something outrageous for this same dish, practically. Oh yeah, as a reminder, if you do cut chicken is very slippery, so you know, you want to make sure you cut away from your fingers, and you know, use your nails for like a brace in case the knife does slip. And alright, we'll just transfer this to a plate real quick. And so I don't have a casserole baking dish, so I just have this, which I actually borrowed from my neighbor. So I don't really want to make a mess, so I think I'll wrap this in aluminum wrap. Aluminum is like the most handy thing, honestly, in the kitchen. It's your best friend. Yep. Wax paper works as well, but you know, that's for baking like sweets. I'll get that in a nice little layer. Alright, so you just want to lay the chicken out like this, form a little nice layer across the bottom of the pan. Alright. It's pretty good now. It's about a little bit more. Ensure an even coating. We'll try to at least, you know. Alright. After you get this, I'll just go, be right back. Wow. So I bought some cream of potato and cream of chicken. I'm covering up the label because I'm not sponsored by them, so you know. Fortunate. They should sponsor me though, totally. Make top quality content here. Yep. Get it out. Okay. Just wanna like spoon these over. I'll be right back with a smaller spoon. Just want to spread it across the chicken. Yeah, cream of chicken's more easier to control than potato, because I feel like the starch content in potato just makes it really fucking like gelatinous, really hard to control, which kind of sucks. I like potato myself. Final bit. Next, you want to get some frozen veggies. Frozen vegetables are good, like carrots, peas, corn, lima beans even. Really anything you want, celery. Just want to get some and just sprinkle it on top. You actually want to do this underneath the chicken, but I kind of forgot about it completely, so yeah, had it coming to me. Ugh. These guys are legit frozen chunks of ice. It's terrible. Okay. Okay. Just a little bit more because I actually really like vegetables. Boom. And you want to, like, I personally am a big fan of pepper, so I'm just gonna put some pepper on it. You can put really anything you want, rub, spice, whatever you want really. And lastly, we're gonna put some cheese. So I went down to the local grocery store, wholesale, and I got some Mexican cheese because why not? And it's quote unquote exotic, so you know that ought to fire up everybody's taste buds. Such a ripoff. I only got like a small bowl, like a cup, and it was like $3. It's terrible. Just because it's made somewhere else rather than in the US, they're just gonna charge you double. Marketing. Marketing. Yep. Honestly, breadcrumbs, just spread that crap everywhere. Really, I just want to spread that crap everywhere. I'm gonna form a nice crunchy layer on top of everything. I'm hoping it'll adhere to the chicken and not make a big mess. Oh, lastly, if you've any butter, just scrape some and just, you know, put it on top. I need one of those ice cream scoops, but for butter. Cause like, in, you know, Asian household, we don't use butter that much, so I kind of keep them in the freezer. They tend to get like really solid in the freezer, which like isn't ideal for cooking. You know, thawing out just takes way too long. I don't like, my house is so poorly cooked. We don't even have a microwave. Jeez, I'm glad I washed my hands. Make sure to wash your hands when you do this. You know. Yeah. Yikes. Alright. That's enough diabetes. Well, not diabetes. It's enough saturated fat for today. I'll come right back after I clean up everything.
So I've let the oven preheat to 350 degrees for a while now.
I'm just gonna slide this in like I do her DM. And you just wanna let it bake for 35 to 40-ish minutes. Yeah, that's about it, honestly. I might show you, I think I'll include a picture of the finished product until then. The ubiquitous smell of cheese wafting through the air, even to my room. And it is done. Yo, this touch screen like sucks. Anyway, saw the big moment we've been waiting for. The oven's hot to the touch. It's just, oh, God, that's intense. ought to just buy an oven mitt, but ain't got that cash flow. Everything looks really good. I'll call it a success. Alright. Thank you for tuning in, and I'll be back next week with a new episode. Yeah, just make sure to leave a like down below. Subscribe, comment. Yeah, have a nice day. Thank you.